Hello and welcome to this GamblingSites.org casino video review. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the BetNow Sportsbook and Casino. This video will provide you with a general overview of the gambling website, and we have other videos and articles for you that break down all of the additional details to help you decide which online sportsbook and casino is the right one for you. Founded in 2016, BetNow has quickly established itself as a great option for online betting. BetNow seems to be continually progressing for the bettor as they get more experience under their belt. To the amazement of our researchers, we could not find a single restricted country listed in the website's fine print, which is a rarity in the industry. That means that anyone should be able to enjoy the sportsbook and casino betting action that they offer. Just make sure to consider any local gambling laws that might impact you. Let's start with their sportsbook. BetNow has excellent coverage of all of the most popular sports, though it can be a little lacking when it comes to some of the less popular sports. Football and basketball bettors will love it, but only esports and cycling appear to be options as far as the more fringe sports go. BetNow also offers live betting, which means that they're keeping pace with one of the hottest trends in the industry. If you're into live betting for any of the sports that they offer action on, you should be pleased with the collection of live bets available to you on their platform. BetNow also features roughly 100 different casino games to select from, including 41 slot machines, 25 table games, 8 specialty casino games, 18 variants of video poker, and 4 versions of live dealer casino games. It's a smaller offering than many of our other favorite picks, but it's a well-balanced group. Our researchers also love the graphics and sounds for the games that they tested. However, they do lack a poker room, and that might be a drawback for those looking for that feature. The user interface may appear a little outdated at first glance, but it ended up being incredibly easy to navigate and use. An update to the lobbies in the future would be helpful to move it more in line with the quality of the casino games that they offer. BetNow does offer mobile compatibility, but it can be a bit limited. You can enjoy table, slot, live dealer, video poker, and other games on your smartphone or tablet, but the selection is a bit limited. Only about 1/4 of all games offered on their main website are offered on mobile, which means about 25 games. This is definitely one area that our experts hope to see improved in the near future. Customer service is one feature of online sportsbooks that should never be overlooked. Knowing a gambling website has reliable customer support is paramount to us in this industry. Luckily, BetNow did not disappoint in this area. You can reach their support team by email, phone, or by live chat. When our experts tested it out, email saw a response time of a couple of hours, and the phone and live chat responses were always of good quality. Their customer service team is also available 24/7, a much needed and much appreciated feature. You can find an even more in-depth look at BetNow on our website by going to GamblingSites.org/reviews/BetNow. And make sure to check out our other video and article reviews for other online casinos, sportsbooks, and more. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.